All right, hi everybody. I am going to show you how I fill my 6-packs with soil before planting my seeds in them. What I like to do is I like to fill my entire tray first. That way I can just plant all my seeds all at once and then get them all in labeled, and then it's all set. So what I do is I get my 6-pack, I put it in this tray. That way when I'm done, whatever is left for soil in here, I can just take this whole tray, dump it back into the bag of soil. That way I'm not wasting anything. So you just take a good scoop, pour it right over the top, and drop it down a couple times. Now what that's doing is it's compacting it down. And this is important because you want to make sure that you have a good foundation at the bottom of your 6-packs, because you need to make sure that the water is hitting the soil. Now, I like to bottom water my seed starts, because if you just dump a bunch of water on top of here, most likely what you're going to do is the seeds are going to float away, or you're going to get too much. Whereas if you just pour water down here a quarter of the way, it's going to absorb from the bottom, and then you don't have to worry about stuff splashing, seeds going over anywhere, and it's even. So it's important to make sure that there's a good amount of soil at the bottom here, because otherwise the water cannot connect to the soil here. So once you get that all in there, your first one, you're just going to take your thumb and you're just going to press down nice and hard there. That way you can feel, right? So there's obviously no gaps. Now you're all set to put another scoop on. Just put it over the top. Level it off, and that's what it looks like. Finish with the rest of your tray, plant all your seeds, and then take one out, fill it a quarter of the way, wait 30 minutes, make sure the top of the soil is dark. If there's any water left over, discard the water. But if you just do a little bit, then you know you won't have to take all the 6-packs out and dump the water and stuff. So, and that's it. And then you're all set. And just make sure you label everything. That way you don't forget what things are, even if you're just doing a couple things, because you usually will forget. All right, and that's it. Thank you so much.